Good day, grade 10. So for today, I will teach you on how to find the general term or the nth term of a sequence. So for example, we have here the arithmetic sequence 5, 12, 19, 26, and 33. Ang una nating gagawin is hahanapin muna natin yung common difference niya. Okay po. So we have to find the common difference. Anong gagawin ulit natin? We will just subtract from a sub 2 by a sub 1. So we have 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. 19 minus 12, that is equal to 7 as well. And 26 minus 19, 7. 33 minus 26, that is equal to 7. Okay? So yung difference or common difference niya is 7. Now let's have first or create a table here. Alright, now ito yung n or number of terms or the term position, and ito naman yung a sub n. So we have term position, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and the fifth term. So for the first term, we have 5. Second, we have 12. Third, we have 19. Fourth, we have 26. And for the fifth term, we have 33. Okay. Now, titingnan natin sa table itong value ng n and a sub n. Okay? Ito na yung magiging guide natin. Now, kapag constant yung difference ng arithmetic sequence, gagawa tayo or magfo-form tayo ng dalawang equation galing dito sa table. Okay? So, gagamitin natin yung formula na yung quantity of A times N plus B is equal to A sub N. Okay? So, sabi ko ulit kanina, gagawa or magpo-form tayo ng dalawang equation from the table. So, una nating gawin na table or equation itong using this one. We have 1 and 5. Okay? So, we have a sub n that is equal to 5 and yung n is equal to 1. Okay, let's just substitute the given to the formula. Yung a natin, we have a, yung n is equal to 1 plus b is equal to 5. Okay, so a times 1, that is just a plus b is equal to 5. Now, ito na yung first equation natin. Now, let's create the second equation. Let's call it the equation 2. So, for a sub n, that is equal to 12. And yung n, yung second term. Since second term yung 12. Now, let's just substitute sa formula. For a times 2, yung value ng n, plus b is equal to 12. Okay, now a times 2 is equal to 2a plus bring down b and also 12. Now, since meron na tayong equation 2 and equation 1, ang gagawin natin is isusubtract natin si equation 1 from equation 2. So, magiging equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so isulat muna natin. We have 2a plus b is equal to 12. Ito na yung equation 1 or equation 2 minus yung equation 1 naman. I-enclose natin siya sa parenthesis since they are para mas makita natin yung equation. Okay? Now, we will just subtract 2a minus a, that is equal to a. Yan, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, sulat na lang natin yung A. And ito, B minus B, makakancel na siya. So, cancel na to, equals 0. And then, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now, ngayong meron na tayong value ng A, which is 7, kukunin naman natin yung value ng B. Okay po, using the equation 1 formula. Opo, ito yung gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung value ng B. So we will get the value of b using the equation 1. A plus b is equal to 5. Now, since meron na tayong value ng a, substitute na natin dito sa a. Then bring down b since b yung hinahanap natin and bring down 5. Now, para makuha natin si b, itong 7 ililipat natin dito sa kabila. So we have b is equal to 5 minus 7. Bakit naging 7? Kasi kapag nililipat natin yung isang number sa kabila, gagawin natin or papalitan natin yung sign niya. So from positive, naging negative. So b is equal to 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 2. Okay? Ngayong meron na tayong value ng a and b, ang gagawin naman natin is isa-substitute na natin yung value ng a and b dito sa given formula, yung nauna nating general term. So we have a times n plus b is equal to a sub n. So let's substitute. We have 7 times n plus negative 2 is equal to a sub n. So we have 7 times n is 7n minus 2 is equal to a sub n. Now, meron na tayong general term. Okay po, so ito na yung general term natin. Ito na yung final answer natin. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung general term nitong arithmetic sequence na 5, 12, 19, 26, and 33. Okay po. Now, para mo-verify natin kung ito ba talaga yung general term, ang gagawin lang natin is isa-substitute natin yung value ng first term para mahanap natin kung 5 ba talaga yung value nitong first term. Okay, so gagawin lang natin para makita natin, substitute 1 from n. So hanapin natin yung first term, yung 5. Dapat makuha natin itong 5. Okay, we have 7n minus 2 is equal to a sub n. Dapat makuha natin itong a sub n dito. Okay, so gagawin lang natin, we will just substitute. So 7 times 1 minus 2 is equal to a sub n. 7 times 1 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to a sub n. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Ayan, parehas silang dalawa. Okay po. So ibig sabihin, ito na yung general term ng arithmetic sequence na 5, 12, 19, 26, and 33, and so on and so forth. Alright, I hope naintindihan nyo. So para mas maintindihan natin ulit, let's have another example. Okay, so for example, we have the arithmetic sequence. Sige, negative 1, positive 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so again, titingnan muna natin yung common difference. Opo, kukunin muna natin yung difference ng arithmetic ng sequence. So we have 1 minus negative 1, that is positive 2. Yan. 3 minus 1, positive 2, 5 minus 3, positive 2, 7 minus 5 is positive 2. Now, let's create a table. Opo. So, create ulit tayo ng table. Alright. Hatiin ulit natin sa 5. Ayan. Kunwari, straight yan. And kunwari, para-parehas lang yung spaces. Okay. So, ito yung first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. So we have negative 1, positive 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, since constant yung difference niya, ibig sabihin hindi na bago yung difference, ang gagawin ulit natin is gagamitin natin yung a times n plus b is equal to a sub n. Okay? So gagawa ulit tayo ng dalawang equation. Unahin natin yung first equation using itong first term. So we have n is equal to 1, a sub n is equal to negative 1. Now, a times 1 plus b is equal to negative 1. Now we have a times 1 is a plus b minus negative 1. Now, ito na yung equation 1 natin. Now, let's find the equation 2. So we have n is equal to 2, a sub n is equal to positive 1. So we have a times n plus b is equal to a sub n. A times 2 plus b is equal to 1. 2 times a is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 1. Now, ngayong meron na ulit tayong equation 2 and equation 1, we will just subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we have equation 2 minus equation 1. Ayan. So we have 2a plus b is equal to 1 and a plus b is equal to negative 1. Subtract natin. 2a minus a is a. Cancel na natin si b. And 1 minus negative 1, that is positive 2. Opo, so 1 ito magiging positive since para sila negative. Negative times negative magiging positive, kaya nag-add tayo. So we have the value of a, which is 2. Now hanapin naman natin yung value ng b using the formula in the equation 1. So we have equation 1, which is a plus b is equal to negative 1. Now, i-substitute lang natin. 2 plus b is equal to negative 1. 2 plus b is 2b. Ililipat lang natin si positive 2 sa kabila. So, magiging negative 2 or minus 2. So, b is equal to negative 3. Okay, nag-add tayo pero i-retain lang natin si sign na negative. Ayan. Now, meron na tayong value ng a and b. So, ang gagawin ulit natin, we will substitute the given to the yung pinakauna nating formula, which is the quantity of a times n plus b is equal to a sub n. Now, we have to substitute 2 times n plus negative 3 is equal to a sub n. 2 times n is equal to 2n. Then, positive times negative is negative. So, we have 2n minus 3 is equal to a sub n. Now, we have already the general term 2n minus 3. So, okay. I-check natin kung yun ba talaga, kung ito ba talaga yung general term. We will just substitute dito sa first term. Tingnan natin kung magiging negative 1 ba talaga yung first term niya. So we have 2 times 1 minus 3 is equal to a sub n. 2 times 1, 2 minus 3. And that is equal to negative 1. So ibig sabihin, tama ito. Okay? Ito yung general term natin. Alright, nakuha. I hope nakuha nyo. So, let's have another example. Different naman siya. Opo, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na isang problem na makakasama sa examination nyo. Okay, sa solving. So, for example, we have here the arithmetic sequence 2, 8, 18, and 32. Now, same lang muna yung una nating gagawin. So, we have to find the difference. Sige, we have 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. How about this one? 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. And 32 minus 18 is equal to 14. Okay? Now, since nakita natin na magkakaiba yung difference niya, hanapin ulit natin yung difference nitong pangalawang, nung unang difference na nakuha natin. So let's find the difference. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Now, since meron na tayong constant difference, ang gagawin naman natin is gagawa tayo ng tatlong equation. Opo, tatlong equation yung gagawin natin para mahanap yung general term ng arithmetic sequence 2, 8, 18, and 32. So we will use the formula a sub n squared plus bn plus c is equal to a sub n. Opo, so medyo madugo-dugo ito. Medyo mahaba-haba yung proseso. Okay, so we will just substitute the given. So gawa muna tayo ulit ng table dito. Ayan. Let's make a table. Ayan, apat lang. Oops. All right. So we have the value of n and a sub n. So we have first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Now we have 2, 8, 18, and 32. All right. So we have to substitute the given to the formula. So ang ililipat lang natin is itong n. So let's have an equation 1. So for the value of n, we have itong 1, first term, and the value of a sub n is equal to 2. So a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c is equal to 2. Okay, so let's just compute. 1 squared is just 1. So we have a plus b, b times 1 is b, plus c is equal to 2. Now, ito na yung equation 1 natin. So let's find naman the equation 2. Okay? Ang gagawin lang ulit natin is we will just use the same formula pero itong second term naman. Okay, so we have a sub n squared plus b plus c is equal to a sub n. Okay, scroll up muna natin. So we have a times 2 squared plus b plus c is equal to, ano na yung value ng second term? We have 8. So n is equal to 2, a sub n is equal to 8. Now we have to multiply our power. Square natin yung 2. 2 squared is equal to 4. So we have 4a plus, hindi ko pala nalagay ito. Yan. So we have 2b. Ayan. B times 2 pala ito. Hindi ko na isulat. Plus, bring down c equal to 8. Is equal to 8. Okay? Now, ito na yung general term or equation 2 natin. Okay po. So let's find naman the equation 3. Alright? So, yung value ng n is equal to 3 and yung value ng a sub n is equal to 18. Okay, let's find the equation 3. So we have a times n squared plus bn plus c is equal to a sub n. A times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c is equal to 18. Alright, so 3 squared is equal to 9. So we have 9a plus b times 3 is equal to 3b plus c is equal to 18. So ito naman yung general term or equation 3 natin. So we have the equation 1, a plus b plus c equals 2. Equation 2, 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 8. And equation 3, 9a plus 3b plus 18 plus c is equal to 18. Now, to find the equation 4, ang gagawin natin is we will subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay? So we have to copy equation 2, 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 8 minus the quantity of a plus b plus c is equal to 2. Okay, so subtract na natin. 4a minus a, we have 3a plus 2b minus b is b. And ito makakancel na siya. And then we have 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So yung equation 4 natin, yan. So we have equation 4 is equal to 3a plus b is equal to 6. Okay? Now let's find the equation 5. Sige, sulat natin dito sa katabi. Okay, equation 5. Ang gagawin naman natin is we will subtract equation 3 minus equation 2. So equation 3 natin is 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 18 minus the quantity of 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 8. Alright, subtract 9a minus 4a is equal to 5a plus 3b minus 2b is equal to b. Then cancel ulit si c. Then 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. So yung equation 5 na natin is 5a plus b is equal to 10. Okay? So meron na tayong value ng equation 4 and equation 5. So ang gagawin naman natin is isusubtract natin yung equation 5 and equation 4. So we have to get equation 5 minus equation 4. So equation 5 is 5a plus b. Linawin natin. Plus b is equal to 10 minus 3a plus b is equal to 6. Alright. Now we have 5a minus 3a is equal to 2a. Then cancel si b. b minus b is 0. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung value ng a. So we will just divide both sides by 2 para mawala na si 2 dito and para matira si a. So we have a is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay? Now ngayong meron na tayong value ng a, kukunin naman natin yung value ng b. So ang gagamitin natin is yung either equation 4 or equation 5. So gamitin na lang natin itong equation 5 to get b. Yeah. Use equation 5 to get b. So we have 5a plus b is equal to 10. And then we will just substitute the given yung a. So we have liit-liitan muna natin. Value ng a is 2 plus b is equal to 10. Then 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus b equal to 10. Now, para matira si b, ililipat natin si 10 sa kabila. So from positive, magiging negative. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So yung value ng b is equal to 0. Okay? Now, kukunin naman natin yung value ng c. Okay po? Now, meron tayong value ng a and value ng b. Kukunin naman natin yung value ng c. So, para makuha natin yung value ng c, gagamitin natin itong equation 1. Opo, so we have to use equation 1. And that is A plus B plus C is equal to 2. Okay, so value ng A is 2. Value ng B is 0 plus C is equal to 2. And then 2 plus 0 is 2 plus C is 2C. 2 plus C equal to 2. And then, para matira si C, lipat natin si 2. So, from positive, magiging negative. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Ayan. Meron na tayong value ng A, B, and C. Now, ang gagawin naman natin, since meron na tayong value ng A, B, and C, gagamitin natin ulit itong formula na A times N squared plus BN plus C is equal to A sub N. Okay, so we'll use AN squared plus BN plus C is equal to A sub N. So, substitute natin. Yung A is 2. N squared plus yung B is 0 times N plus 0 is equal to A sub N. Now, itong 2N squared, matitira na lang, and itong 0 times N is 0 plus 0, so matitira na lang yung 2N squared. So, ito na yung general term natin. Opo, ito na yung general term ng arithmetic sequence na 2, 18, 32, 2, 8, 18, and 32. Alright? So we have the general term A sub N is equal to 2N squared. So let's verify kung ito ba talaga yung general term. So hanapin natin yung value ng N. I mean yung value ng A sub 1. So we have 2 times 1, yung first term, is equal to A sub N. So 1 squared is 1, so we have 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So ito yung first term natin. So tingnan natin kung tama ba. Tama. Ito, parehas lang sila. So check naman natin yung second term. 2 times 8 squared is equal to A sub N. So 2, 64, because 8 squared is equal to 64. Then 64, mali. Mali yung na-substitute ko. Yung 2 pala. Yung second term. Para mahanap natin yung second term. So 2 times 2 squared is equal to 4 is equal to A sub N. Then 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So ibig sabihin yung second term is equal to 8. So check natin ulit. So we have 8. Same lang ulit. Try natin yung third term. So we have 2 times 3 squared is equal to A sub N. Then 3 squared is equal to 9. Then 2 times 9 is equal to 80. So same lang din yan ulit. So we have yung pang third term is 18. Okay? So I hope naintindihan nyo using the formula na A times N squared plus BN plus C is equal to A sub N. Okay, marami-rami yung process. Opo. So, sige. Try nyo sagutan ulit. Ito. I-pause nyo muna yung video. Then, sagutan nyo muna bago nyo i-continue ulit na panoorin and i-check yung sagot nyo kung tama ba talaga. Alright. So, we have an example here. Okay. Nasaan na yung isang papel ko? So, for example, we have 2, 20, 50, 92, and 146. Okay? So same process. Let's find the difference first. 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. 92 minus 50 is equal to 42. 146 minus 92 is equal to 54. Alright. So, since hindi sila magkakaparehas ng difference, hanapin ulit natin yung difference nila. So, 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. 42 minus 30 is equal to 12. And 54 minus 42 is equal to 12. So, let's create a table here. Ayan, gawa muna tayo ng table para mas makita natin yung mga values ng term position and ng A sub n. Alright, so kunwari pantay-pantay sila. So ito yung first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth. So we have here 2, 20, 50, 92, and 146. Alright, so let's find the first equation or equation 1 using the formula an squared plus bn plus c is equal to a sub n. Hanapin muna natin. Gamitin natin yung formula na ito and substitute natin yung value ng n dito. So first term muna tayo. Equation 1. Liit-liitan natin. Alright, so we have a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c is equal to, ano yung a sub n? We have 2. Okay, so for a sub 1 or 1 squared, we have 1. So a na lang to plus b plus c is equal to 2. Okay, so let's find the equation 2. So we have a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c is equal to 20, yung pang second term. So we have 2 squared is 4, so we have 4a plus b times 2 is equal to 2b plus c is equal to 20. Yan, ito na yung mga equation natin. For equation 1, equation 2. Let's find the equation 3. We have a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c is equal to, we have 50. Now, 3 squared is 9, so we have 9a plus 3 times b is 3b plus c is equal to 50. Now, meron na tayong value ng equation 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So, I have equation 2 minus equation equation 1. So, yung equation 1 is 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 2 minus the quantity of a plus b plus c, 20 pala ito, is equal to 2. Alright, so 4a minus a is equal to 3a plus 2b minus b is equal to b. Then cancel na si c because 0 lang naman siya. And 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. So ito na yung equation 4 natin. Let's find equation 5. using the formula equation 3 minus 2 minus equation 2. So we have 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 50 minus the quantity of 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 20. Yan. 9a minus 4a is equal to 5a. 3b minus 2b is equal to b. Then cancel si c. 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So ito na yung equation 5 natin. Now, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is kukunin na natin yung value ng a. So, gamitin natin yung formula na equation 5 minus equation 4. So, we have equation 5 minus equation 4. And that is 5a plus b is equal to 30 minus the quantity of 3a plus b minus is equal to 18. Okay, 5a minus 3a is 2a. Then cancel si b is equal to 30 minus 18 is 12. Now, para matira si a, divide natin both sides by 2. Then natira na si a, 12 minus, divided by 2 is equal to 6. So ito na yung value ng a natin. We have 6. Yan. Let's find the value of b using the formula dito sa equation 5. Yan. Gamitin natin yung equation 5. So we have 5a plus b is equal to 30. Okay? So substitute lang natin. 5 times 6 plus b is equal to 30. Then 5 times 6 is equal to 30 plus b is equal to 30. Then ilipat natin si 30, magiging negative na. So we have b is equal to 0. Now let's find the value of c. Ngayong meron na tayong a and b, gagamitin na natin yung formula ng equation 1. So we have a plus b plus c is equal to 2. Okay. So 6 plus 0 plus c is equal to 2. And then 6 plus 0 is 6. So we have 6 plus c is equal to 2. Then ilipat natin si 6. So magiging negative na siya. And the answer is 2 minus 6, that is equal to negative 4. Now, ngayong meron na tayong value ng a, b, and c, i-substitute na natin siya sa formula na a n squared plus b n plus c is equal to a sub n. So we have a n squared plus bn plus c is equal to a sub n. Okay, so we have for the value of a, that is equal to 6. And a is equal to 6, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to negative 4. Okay, so a, 6 n squared plus b, that is equal to 0 times n plus negative 4 is equal to a sub n. So 6n squared minus 4 is equal to a sub n. So ito na yung general term natin. Alright. So the general term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 20, 50, 92, and 146 is 6n squared minus 4. Sige, try natin kung ito ba talaga yung formula or general term ng arithmetic sequence. So let's find the first term. So substitute lang natin yung first term. Minus 4 is equal to a sub n. So 1 squared is just 1. So 6 minus 4 a sub n. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This is the first term. Yan, a sub 1. For second term naman, we have 2 squared minus 4 a sub 2. 2 squared is equal to 4. So we have 6 times 4. 6 times 4 minus 4 a sub 2. 6 times 4 is equal to 24 minus 4. Then that is equal to 20. Okay, so tama naman yung first term and second term. So obviously yung third, fourth, and fifth, and so on, the same pa rin yung value niyan. Okay, and that is it for our discussion in finding the general term or the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So always remember that God is good all the time. Keep always safe and good luck sa examination nyo. Bye-bye, and I hope nakapag-review kayo and nakatulong yung video lesson natin ngayon.